Hello viewers, you're welcome to another edition of Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. My name remains Vincent Hope. Like we discussed last lesson, artificial intelligence, AI, is a tool that makes you more productive. So in this lesson, we're going to be dealing on how do you put together your CV or your resume. So if you're a young graduate, a college graduate, a secondary school graduate, or a high school graduate, and you want to apply for a job, one of the things you need very importantly is your resume or your CV put together. Now with AI, this makes it very easy. So you simply come to Google and type resume AI and you press enter. So you see so many of them. You see resume AI, free resume builder, quick and easy, free AI builder and bullet point generator, which is one consulting. Okay, let's put resume IO. Let's open this here. This is resume IO. Okay, now we have like I said, there are many of them. We have one consulting, we have enhanced CV. Let's use this one to enhance CV. Look at it being opened up here, enhanced CV. Then we also have resume now. We open this one here. So we have three of them open here. So let's start working with them. So this is resume IO. It's an AI builder. So all you need to do is either you say create my resume or build my resume. So let's say we use build, we click on build my resume. Okay, let's see the options it gives us. So the first thing it says choose your what? Templates. I always like templates that have dark edges. It makes the resume look beautiful. So I say use this template. Okay, it's saying you can now say connect your social media profile. Since I have my Google profile here, I can click on this and connect it. It will import some of those statements on my resume, and I click my email, my Gmail account, click continue. Okay, we're waiting for it. Now you can say create new resume, create with AI assistance, upload if you have an existing one, create if you have a LinkedIn profile, you simply use this, create from example. So let me use AI assistance. I click on this. Okay, it says what your work experience, add to 3 previous jobs. We need at least one to get started. Let's say IT consultant. Okay, company name, ISP computers, start date. Let's say we started in 2020 and we are still there to date, so we're now currently in April. So let's click continue. Remember it says 15% completed. Click continue. Say what's your desired job title. I still leave it as IT consultant. Click continue. The name of educational institution, let's say Bayero, or okay, just say Bayero University, Kano. Can correct this. Okay, degree BSc Maths education, or maths, just leave it at maths, it's just an example. Start date, when did you start the school? Just look for any dates. 2016, we completed it, let me say 2003, it's just an example. Okay, choose your top skills, software. Let's put software development, for example. Click continue. Professional highlights, text input. You can decide to say anything or just skip it. Career goals, let's say career goals, be the top IT consultant in Africa. Okay, am I correct? Consultant in Africa. Okay, create my resume. Now AI assistance at work. So the AI is now working to create your resume. So you don't have to worry yourself on how to put together your resume. You just provide some few information to the resume. So you see, it puts my name, Vincent Hope, IT consultant. It puts my email, which it got from the import. IT, my skills, network performance, system troubleshooting. These are the suggested ones it gave to me. Then dynamic IT consultant over 5 years. So you read the content. If the content suits what you want, you scroll down, check it, education, BSc Maths, Pioneer University, Kano. So this is a very simple and straightforward CV. If you like what you see, you download. But if you want to change it, let's say we can change this option and see what it comes out. You see how it has switched it. If you come to that of Vienna, you see how it has switched it to this environment. So any information you check the colors too. Let's take a different color. You see, it changes the color of one of the elements of your page. Then if you like what you see, you simply click download as PDF. Now say quick and easy to create resume using AI. Okay, are you sure you're ready to download? Need a resume? Okay, thanks. I want to download my resume, and I click download. Now watch what happens. Okay, now this is a paid version. So it says 2.9 for 7 days. Quarterly is this. Now if you want to continue, you continue. But since it's a paid version, it says the third step is payment details. We're going to skip this. But the bottom line is that you know how to use this now to create a resume. So if you want to download, you download the PDF if you do the pay service. Now let's switch to Enhanced CV. Enhanced CV does the same thing. So it says build your resume with AI. When you come to the environment, usually you have to sign up. But so since I've already signed up, I click build your resume with AI. Let's see the option it comes up with. Okay, so this is the previous one I did, but let's say create a new resume. Okay, start with an industry example, upload existing. If you have a previous one, you want to upload the content, import from LinkedIn. So we start with industry example. Okay, it now says it's loading. Now what kind of resume examples do you want? Are you positioning yourself as a business analyst, as an executive, as a data scientist, as a project manager, or a digital marketer? So let me use the one of marketing. Let's see. Okay, I want to be a marketer. Then each of them have their format. You see, as you click them, the format here changes. So I select that of marketing, it changes, and I say use this resume. Okay, now it says Sarah Miller. Now that's the name suggested. I can simply come here and change it to backspace, change it to Vincent, change it to Vincent. Okay, to Vincent Hope. Okay, marketing coordinator, project manager, any information I like, fine. This is the phone number. It doesn't suit mine, so I can come here, simply change it to +234 8099797980. That's my phone number. Okay, so I can put it as isp@enhancedcv.com, add my LinkedIn, add where I stay. Okay, I change this one to to Kano, Nigeria. Okay, so those are the ones so you can come here to now, check your marketing project. These are the details he added for you. Marketing project manager with over 3 years of experience. So if you have 5 years of experience, you change it to 5 years. Okay, collaboration and relationship. I build strong relationships with internal departments, external partners, and the rest of it. Okay, so you go through everything the AI has done for you. Rover Games is a multi-pay mobile phone. This is just a suggested name. You can say ISP Games, or let's say AS Marketing. You can call it any name you desire to. AS Marketing. So you check the content. If the content is okay, fine. If you still want further AI assistance, you can come here, click AI Assistant. If you click on the AI Assistant, you say, write to improve my resume. You say, what does it want to do? Translate my resume, create a cover letter. Now you can click, say, write to improve my resume. It will ask you now what kind of area. You say, highlight my strengths. Here, these are the strengths, these are the skills. So we can say, okay, let's say highlight my strengths. This is the one I gave you before. Let's say highlight my strengths. Let's see where it's going to add that. Highlight my strengths. Okay, now it has added more information on the strength. Sales target achievements. Okay, team leadership and architecture. So it added some more information. If I still want to add more information, I said write to improve my resume. I click write to improve my resume. If I click write to improve my resume, okay, it's working. So create a lot summary, highlight my strengths, achievements. Let me add more to the achievements. So it's working. Okay, it has added more to the achievements. Okay, so anything you want the AI to do, it does it very easily. Now you can see now it has added more information. Before it was just one page. Now because of the extra things we added achievements. It has pushed down the strengths and the skills down. But what is important is that this AI resume builder can build your resume quick and easy. You can hear now what it looks like is that we have to pay for this service before we can also download. So if we try to say upgrade, let's check the options here. Okay, we say upgrade. If we try to upgrade, in order to be able to pay for the download, then we have to enter our details. For example, you say continue to billing details. It will ask you for your credit card, which is your ATM card. So you enter the details here if you want to be using this paid service. But they are free services. So, but Enhanced CV is a paid service. But what is important is that you understand that you can see it says the bill payment. So you enter your email and the rest of it. So we're not doing that now. So what is important is for you to understand that with AI, you can do your CV, and there are free versions of the AI that can do so. So finally, let's treat on the resume now. This one is also pretty easy, and it's easy especially for Africans and Nigerians. So when you come to this environment, simply click create my resume. Okay, it's loading. Create my resume. Okay, now I say let's add your education. I was doing a previous one before, so it will start from, let's show where it started from. Let me go back. This is where it started from. No, let me scroll down again. Okay, so it started from here. From here, it asked me to add my experience. So if I don't want this, let me delete this entry. I also delete this entry. Okay, let me go back to number 1, which is my header. Okay, add experience. So my job title, which job title do I want? I want IT coordinator or IT consultant. I click IT consultant. Employer, let's say ISP computer. Okay, city Kano, country Nigeria. Okay, date of the work, where the job started. Let me select a date, let's say 2021, just an example, January. And you can simply put, I am currently working there. And I click continue. Okay. Now showing 66 results for IT. So these are the things it wants to add to your resume. It's a pick from our ready to use phrases or write your own and get AI generated writing. So let me just select what they have here. Installed and configure computer hardware. I add it to my resume. It comes here. Implemented changes based on feedback received from, I add it to my resume. It comes here. Provided consultation on how best to utilize. I add it to my resume. It comes here. If I'm okay with that, I make progress. I click continue. Okay, so it has done this. Look at what it created here. So let's click continue again. It now asks me for education. I click continue. School name, let's say University of Jos, for example. School location, Jos. Degree, let's see the options it gives to us. Bachelor of Arts, field of study, political science, for example. Month of graduation, I can still say I'm a student, or if you have graduated, you put a student, then you make progress. Okay. You now say continue. You can see it has done that of header, experience, education. Now we are now on skills. Click continue. So it selects the skill. What skills do you have? Research methods, let's say data interpretation, project management, public speaking, stakeholder engagement, critical thinking, just examples. Click continue. Summary. So we're on summary now. Click continue. Continue again. Now, innovative computer information system manager with proven experience. If I like this, I click add to it. If I'm okay with that, I click continue. Okay, it says additional details like languages, certifications, websites, and the rest. I click continue. Okay, so which activities? Let me put awards and accomplishments. Say one, the best graduating student, just an example, students in school, and I click continue, any of them you want. Okay, so see your CV prepared for you. You can decide to change the template to this that has a picture here. Then you add your picture. Let me click edit now. Okay, see where the picture is. It says add photo. I click add photo. I click here, browse from your computer. Let me see if I can get a picture. Anything that suits it, click open. Okay, if it suits this, let's just take a picture, for example. Click save. Okay, you can see it sorts it out. Click continue. So you can see now. So you can select any template. If you don't like that, you select this. Any template that works for you. Then what you simply do, you can save and next, or you simply download or print or send it as an email. So if you have the email address of the employer, you send. If you want to print it out, you click print. If you want to download, let's download and see. Okay, say download as PDF, as Word, so let's leave PDF and click download. Okay, we did not sign in initially, so let's use the Google account. Okay, and let's see what it comes up with. Use this. Continue. Okay, so let's see if it allows us to download without payment. It's uploading. Okay, this one still comes back the same thing too. Most popular, $1.5 price. So you simply download there. Now let's come back to it. Let's go back. Escape. Okay, let's come back. Let's come back to this. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, it's loading now. So when you are doing, you have to look for the filters. So let's just simply say save and next. So it's saving your resume. So when you are actually working, look for the free tier. So this is the ones, all the ones we use now are all paid. So, but in a nutshell, you have understood that you can use AI to build your resume with ease. So we have touched 3 types of resume builders, AI builders. We've talked about 1, resume IO. This is it here. Let's go back. Resume IO. 2, we talked about enhanced CV. This is for enhanced CV, AAP enhancedcv.com. Then we also talked about resume now. So there are many ones. So when you come to your Google, all you simply need to do is to type, look for the free tier. You can say resume AI for free. You will see the option that it brings to you. You have Teal, you still brought out enhanced CV, you have resume IO, you have resume. So you try any of them and see which one works for you.